What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So, I see a clippings with people with the lion man, but some music in the background. We couldn't get it for good, you know what I mean? But we just want to tell you, say the G out and about. Cause when it's too simple and live like that, although him go live still, but on a different mission, so maybe a lot of people not flock it like how them flock when they mix up them attack. You see the dog out with him girlfriend, you see me, it's her birthday, and I think from yesterday as it was her birthday. Today, well, me no know, but well, me see him on a date with him woman, you see me, them look nice together, you see it. But me know the dog go feel like him fi soft out and change fully because him have a nice decent woman. You know what I mean? You have to continue to go on with yourself, you see it, and stay upon your number one position. Some people make me know all the things. So TJ go live in the night, yeah, my people. And have some things to get off him chest. And I'm gonna make on the ear where him have to say. You see it? Who also have Shiwada talk about the TJ and Jabass situation in the night, yeah. You see it, me I make on the ear that also, you see it, and you make complain, you know what I mean, say the whole of the girl them a flock our man Yankee since she take him up, you see it, so we're gonna get in at that, my people. Me remember if me have no clippings or what, but Zozo engaged with my people, you see it, so they are now what you call it, fiancés, not no girlfriend and boyfriend thing, you see it. You want to see Brit, Jaja, wish them the best still. So yeah, my people, we have some things to share. So
you know the girl when I come out of good muscle family, phone all just take the shape of the first cocky, and some only take some big wood and then marry little body, and the boy in a turn Nemo. You understand me? Nemo just a search so and can't find nothing. Cocky just a run like Forrest come. Eh? Me no like some of no girl, man. And the girl them like all off on the vagina and top but say, no, me not ready for abs. Everybody a pick out when Jabass say and when TJ do, and me can't say that. If them threaten him back, till no sooner one and the up and kiss. Exactly. You up in a people's face. Me not like that. And that's why me tell you already from day one. Me tell you say TJ. People will hate Maya because of him. If nobody never understand who Maya is, people that hate Maya because of TJ. Exactly. Me now gonna tell you what me I do. The amount of threat where you put on people, it's not funny. Your turn now. Your turn. It's not funny.
Alright, Indy.
No, it's
Oh,
true.
yeah, give me fitness.
It's unfair. It is so unfair. It is so unfair. Una act, but you see Jabass though. Jabass, you see you not learn again, you know. You one next nasty boy when you learn again. You see me don't know oh you're enough with everybody. You don't know other people that not like you the same way you not like them. And you're nothing at them. You know you can't play hypocrite long. And you're still nothing at everybody. And he should have locked you for the old car where you sell her, you know. And he should have locked you up for the old car where you sell her. When you can't keep on yourself to yourself. When you cannot. Me say Jabass you all over the place. You're worse than Shay. You're worse than Shay for true. You're worse than Shay. And every time I you them come, Jabass me tired of you. Me I send you back to your mama. Me tired of you. Me I send you back to your mama. Me I tell your mama me can't look after you, Jabass. God no. Me can't do it. Me give up. No. Hey, me a class in a good ass. Plumbing me a class. Hey, no, for sure. Me not understand. Fear is fear. Now you have a court case. For what? That's what I'm telling you. Say, you see, this is the sole reason why now. Yeah. Are you coming? Coming out? Cause you can't say me I'm coming. I'm in the bedroom coming out because it's just spell wrong. So me not understand. I'm here now gonna wear JPS. Go suck your woman. Yeah. So yeah, I'm telling you now. You see, this is what I said. A lot of people cuss me and say, "Wish your body nobody not like you." It best. It is best sometimes when the nation hate you. You invite me to church? Oh. No, I'm not come. Pray for me when you go do work. I'm not independent of prayer, but me independent and not chatting. So don't invite me nowhere. Here, me now come on the church for the chat me, preach for me and get the spirit for me. So just pray for me, my love. Yeah, remember say God that the church alone is just a prayer away. Pray for me, sweetie. Come brush me. Yeah, I'm gonna tap in your church now. The whole I wanna get that spirit. I wanna see so that's so good, during the week. You understand me? Amigo, sister, when I so good, Oh, but me can't talk. Cause I'm not my church. My brothers make no trample by me and amen by me. Yeah. But JPS has said, by the way, you go to church tomorrow or Sunday. Well, any church where you go, just pray for me. Once you not worship the true and living God, pray for me. If you not worship the true and living God, don't call me name. Do not call me name. I'm my blood face. Hey, no call me name now. Oh, go on by yourself. You know, go on by yourself. Yeah, but tomorrow, oh, come in an independent prayer. Yeah, but not invite me in a church. Cause we love chat people as me step out. Wow! Yeah, man. Me gonna just say, watch ya. Me get it too much for sure. Yeah, me get it too much. All of my church. But sometimes we tell them sing them back. Wow! Hear me, watch them. I want them come near me. I say, where? To lie. 3 years say me and Kay and them at war. Where? I mean them go at war. Yeah. For sure. For sure. No, it's true. That is how judgmental they are. You see it? That is how judgmental they are. Because God tell them everything about you. And they never know say, yeah, coming on. But as you reach, God tell them. Yeah, it's true. No, for sure. Yeah. When Pastor asked me, said, Keith, you can't count for my church system. I said, Rev, you know me not like them. Dear Rev, true. Me know, brother Keith, but me I beg you do. Yeah, me say, Rev, because of you know me not like them. Me don't know whichever way I go, but me have to sort out this shit. Me don't know whichever me I go.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna run through that one, my people, quick and fast. I'm not gonna talk much, you know what I mean? But she bought a different Jabass still, and that is not a bad look because at the end of the day, my people are gonna say, say TJ name calling are too much things. So it look to me like TJ is the aggressor all the time, which we nothing me in a go on my people. But TJ is a non-nonsense person. You see me? The simplest little thing where not really in a theme type of cabinet, you know what I mean? You might go one lick out on it. And me a Jabass says a man where upstar or whatever, well you can say that about TJ. If TJ that at a party and all of the TikTokers did TJ just feel like say yo, you know what I mean? Me no more just say feel like it's a youth where we deal with everybody. You know what I mean? And we need some more of them people because most of these people nowadays them prefer to show off on you than to greet you and link you and say wow go on you alright ray. Them prefer to not say nothing to you and show off upon you because them want to wear the dearest and the most expensive this and that and look upon you a certain type of way and even talk to you and not associate. So TJ different. You know what I mean? From TJ see a TikToker, him a go try fi how do you know say him a go want the upfront Ray. You see it as far as him making people don't like Maya. Well, okay, he can go so for real because it did go that way. You see me I say, but at the end of the day, them got each other. So who don't like them, who the F cares? You see me? But me don't want to think the people and make watch some more.
But me have to sort out this quick. For true, me tell Rev, me say Rev, you know me not like the Rev say me know, brother kid. Me know. Yeah, for true. Yeah. Me never tell a lie. That's why them other church and me a worship, them have to look. Me say the whole and the look. Me distract. Come on, phone space. Me distract, you know. And them a look. When me done get home, I get me a walk out. After me na business with them, after na me and them go. Huh? And na me and them go. You think me a stay like one way talk, but I'm afraid for that church that me don't want nobody chat me. Make them chat me. Make them chat me. Once the Lord say go on this for me, I go. Make them chat me. Yeah? Make them supposed to chat me. After me not care. If people out the road that chat me, why people in the church can't chat me? And if me did do a 9 to 5, the boss would have chat me when him go home with all the helper. And that make it act. My gonna line address. I mean, I know when I'm a paying a raise. Yeah? Then me have no problem. Church people have a chat. After me not going for them with them say, oh, Mr. From him come in, me heavy, yeah, I got heavy. Remember we build your house upon cemetery, don't you not stop playing with your clit. Oh, yeah, I got heavy. No, it's true. Zola Golas there. It's true. Me not care, me not mind them. Me not mind them for true. All of my church. Yeah. Don't teach me to speak in tongues, Spam. Me not ask you. Cause number one, me can interpret every single thing where you say. And sometimes you not say shit. Me not ask you. Sometimes you're not saying anything. That's why good man for stay under the umbrella of Jesus Christ and make him pour his gift upon you. You get the gift of discernment. You get the gift of speaking in tongues. You get the gift of interpretation. You see, all of these elements are where people sing in a church and practice. They never really get no gift, so are where them sitting in a church and pattern each other. Them no work it so. That's why me not afraid. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. See, the only man they me fear God Almighty because I under theme wings. Many people make me tell you the truth. When not have to watch nobody if you not feel for that church, go on. Go to church. Go and put on your nice clothes and go. And if a belly skin you have wear it, make them put you out the door for sit down, you go. And that will never know you go. And sometimes, let me tell you this. The reason why some will feel cute in going to church are because this church people are watch that way. We not have no church clothes. We don't need no church clothes to go to church. When Adam and Eve did leave the garden, God clothed them with skin. As King God clothed them with unafraid for that church because of the demographic of the building. So now you notice who we worship and what we worship. Let me tell you something. That's why the scripture say worship him in spirit and in truth. You understand me? Deny every single thing about you and worship. God, it's not about you. That's why too much fandangles around the internet today. You know, say everybody there on the internet that tries to stay relevant. Eh? When God alone can make you relevant, you're relevant. Say promotion comes not from man. It not come from the east, the west, the north, nor the south. It come from Almighty God. So sometimes what we call elevation on the app a sufferation. Let me tell you that. The funny part about it, for overworking for people say, me not in a no time for no girl or boy say, she be, me nah like you have your money. And a God a mind me richer than Finsack. One yeah? I God a mind me, my love. Me don't know who I mind on, but I God a mind me, hush. Yeah. Me not, no, you think a joke? You think a joke? When I think a joke, the funny part about life is when me sit down here, so. And me day, I say, say life is so funny when me see how much people run the border and they are foreign go like them a live life. And me sit down here so can get up and travel if me feel like. You know how cute it be when me sit down on my fridge top so and me look on life me say, me remember the days when all I could do is dream of going on the Iron Bird. And me see how much people are tear down the border. I tear down the border. Auntie JC that big up, God bless him. Tell him big up himself. I'm still here so I'm remember I'm see how much people are run the border, I run the border. I'm say mighty God, me still in a pandemic, I'm see everybody are suck off the border, and the Lord look at me and tell me say, don't watch this. Don't watch this. Me say people, if me ever tell you some things, me say me get offer to run off a foreign, and this are the hot part. Me get offer for run off a foreign, and people willing to pay somebody how much money for marry me. Me say me? Me say no. Me say no. Ask the response when I think I lie. People willing to pay people for marry me. I'ma say, say, me I go stick by Jesus. No work now, push, no work now. When the Lord look at me and say, settle your body. And people, me sit down humbly. Me sit down humbly. And me say, everybody there foreigner suffer now. And I fret and I run up and down and I hide. And me could I really go play hide and seek with my freedom? Could never. Me say, my friend, them all cuss me, my careless. Me careless can be no one not out of life. Me just sit down at Jamaica so. Then tell me something. If God can bless me so. If God can bless me so. You understand me? And me. Get up and me say nurse for you. And if you get up and make subs act. All in a pandemic, say nurse for you. Me and I go collect me 10 years. See how they shake and tell you. Yeah. Me and nurse who will collect me 10 years, me sit down on it so. And nurse said to me, say, why? You know fussy? Me say, fussy for what? Everybody around off a foreign. Everybody live a foreign. Everybody are going the most with me, my love. Me see that take me and say, go on to Vegas to enjoy your birthday. Yeah. See that say, go on to Vegas to enjoy your birthday and go to Atlanta, go have your Thanksgiving. Me, they know me I worry about. I see people over there hide from Mr. Trump. Exactly, and Michelle alone jump from me the visa. The true, as me get my visa, Michelle gonna foreign. But what gonna be where say, oh, Jesus?
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys thinking in the comment section.
Yeah, my baby.
We're gonna move on to the next.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Now, sick, Uno. I'm talking about this thing every single day. Every single. I told them, I said, God, I need rosealee video, And I see she say, no, so this not gonna work out. Me and Akeem not gonna work out. And I see the people them, like them finally I come to them senses. I said, who cares? Because everybody knows so boring and this is fake. I say, yeah. Yeah, I say, well said. I know me know enough picnic band. Me know enough picnic band based on trick. Enough boy trick girls for them have it and girls skin out. and breathe for them. Then you can imagine, and a first grind make you breathe, and a second grind. Then how much grind, so how much time the boy fake it. Then I will if a mosquito there, some man I never say. Yeah. Then how much time the boy grind you, so yeah, for breathe you, and this is all me know. Because I remember me say I will forever use this thing and me say when Akeem say Rosalie get him pan him foot, and me remember how Akeem came on the app. I mean here Akeem says Rosalie get him pan him foot and Akeem come on the app and trick the whole I wanna say him have it, and then boy they rich in a bubble jacket. I mean not tell no lie. When me hear him say that, my have to say to myself, say, them people upon the internet will always be the same. You know, say if I L work this, I will if I wanna gonna L because we not follow. It's so easy it is to not want to take the mark of the beast. Because if a man come tomorrow morning and start perform miracles, something where we not used to, we not gonna say my Jesus for true and believe his doctrine and walk with him. You know, so you cannot do yourself like this. Una cannot do yourself like this. Una not have no spiritual eyesight to the point where una so blind, una can't say people keep running circles around una. The ones who are running circles around una are the ones who una have no. Me not say all Jamaicans in, but please get what me I say. Me say me no want to live in a community with no Jamaicans. Alright, prime example. Who remember when girl used to run left them picnic without a father and go a foreign work in a people name, work, bust sweat, take shit in them face and spit. You understand me? Build up some backyard and then picnic live happily ever after to the point where that same hungry belly nasty broke girl will run off a foreign can take up the whole of Jingbang and leave that house or that land with her family them for them war over it. When people go and say I'm going for an opportunity, none is there with your name on it, but you are go create an opportunity. That's what most people listen. They believe say foreign have opportunity. No, foreign is a place where you create opportunities. If they don't have any opportunity at all, no make nobody tell you that. Because everyone that leave and say they are going to look opportunity, ask the ones who are successful, they had to create an opportunity in order to get by. You never know. That is why we have so much worthless one in New York now, because them are going to weep on Donald Trump for hand them something like Biden. That is why we have so many, because a girl will go and she'll certify herself. She a RN. She a bedside nurse. She's a dog walker. She's a proper shit cleaner, certified shit cleaner. You understand me? No shame in her game because she have a mansion in Jamaica and she have a taxi them on the road. We meet these people. We miss the people that will create generation wealth. You know, one sister get a bus. She bust the entire family and them never travel yet. She take up her picnic, build a house and leave it with her family. Then chop here and bounce boat. Yeah. You know who put on something on the road, on the land on about? Trevor. Yeah man, make him put on. Or when put on, him build a 2-bedroom and a kitchen. Yeah man. A Trevor house that, and my sister and this. Me miss them days there. Foreign never easy then and it not easy now. Foreign has never been easy. No make nobody tell you that. Foreign has never been easy. Anybody will ever got foreign and say foreign easy are the ones who are come from a real hard life and never have a job in a Jamaica. Foreign has never been easy. Oh, anyway in a legal can never be easy. It has never been easy. So I don't understand when enough on that talk. Most people feel say, dress up and post on the app. It's a given. Remember we can buy the clothes them on the daily. Remember half of foreign not real. Foreign the first one that advertise AI before it even come in. Oh. But I'm foreign already and see one shoes for $14 and go back the next day and see it for $7. Foreign not real. But going to Foot Locker and get shoes for $1.50. Oh. I bet I ask you know. Foreign not real.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you guys think. You know what I mean? We'll watch some more of this and then we're gonna move on to the next.
Daddy baby, me don't know where them attack say now. I don't know where them attack say. Oh no, me travel. Me travel regular. Me know foreign. I mean no foreign life. Most of what you see on the app not real. The ones who really are making no foreign can even have time for go party. It's up an invitation. They have to pick, choose and refuse because they not have time. Those are the ones living in foreign. The ones who wanna see their dance and a post on the gram every single day are the ones who are sell them. They not have no morals. Them sell out that. Me not ask you know. Nobody cannot tell me about foreign. Them have to dip on the road and sell weed or drugs or them something. Them have to illegal. Anything with them under to it illegal. Me not ask on that. If you find somebody with a restaurant, them not have time for party. Make me take and I saw it go. You not even have time for do your ear. The only reason why you do your ear or your nails are because you're not going anywhere. And that make you feel like you dress up. Me not ask you know. Foreign is not a place to come showcase on the app. Everybody where you see on the app, them are thief and them hungry broke and them don't live nowhere. Them clothes bungle up. Me not ask you know. No care how it spread out up on ivany. Every time the rain get towards you, you have to move up and down. The little boy know more address than them know him last name. No disrespect. So they make nobody come on the app and trick on. That's why I'm telling them say fandangles not frighten me because the more your vehicle dear, you can't put $15 gas in that and your insurance let me tell you that. So me not ask you know, it's a stress. So when you see the whole of them and dirty and them are thief, they are not living comfortable. When you go in enough of them girl and boy your house where you drive them big vehicle here, them fridge empty. You're lucky you can find one half bottle of water. It mark water. Let me tell you that and something bite like a burger for bringing the my boy to unique. You understand me? The burger have teeth mark in it. That think are able to unique. When I ask you know, why you think foreign people is big on leftovers? You think Jamaican people name act up like foreign people? Remember them cook for the month? Just saying.
Me now walk a seek refuse. Come in and live a refugee camp. Me send in my dirty corner till me can come in a clean corner. Clean corner. My weight, my pussy, bumbo, blood clot, turn. My weight, my pussy, bumbo, rascal, turn. Anywhere me there, anywhere, any values, alright. For the shit house, them when I really like me. This is the message to Uno. It's any levels and any value me there on TikTok now. I deserve it. I'm here long enough. Some don't know why the blood clot problem. How it's decomposed by the stink up in the comment section. And I got one tear off our blood clot for the Friday evening. When we want to talk to 300 diamond and can't see it. You go the fuck it already, I mean I know. Yeah. Cause someone who had that girl pussy big and stink. Let me get down to that girl. But me wanna go down at that girl. Someone who know was born to be that girl no pussy big and stink. Someone who know born to be that girl no man now fuck on and go no more than $5. I wanna get them to say, yay! But babes, just give me who don't know no money. Someone who don't know no money. The girls that want to be that girl don't know money. Is that it take a real, true, authentic hustler in the blood clot street that got to struggle to no money. So when them get them, they're freaking. Them not frightened. Like Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The boy can't fuck me, give me 5,000. Like me just win the blood clot. Like they're crazy. Me so still long at town. We know $5,000 look. No play with me, no come and put some money, no. I done all of me, I drink 19 blood clot. 42, 70 black dot. No ramp with blood clot. When I see me touch it. No money. I want to look up it and shit with no money. I want to look up it and shit with no money. And as one day, but you put on a blood clot hole and the body start to deflame. Breast where you such a cold eye drop and body drop. And a cranny. No money. And I play battle pancake for the rest of the blood clot life. And boy, I'm gonna fuck on a fling on a dash, you know. And later on, you can put on 2 suck your mother. And 3 yes, big hole. And I borrow something, you put on an you go like on out and blood clot stunt. You don't want to be that blood clot girl. And me first come talk to me, must say man fuck someone when I give you $1. All hungry belly will fuck and to some woman crazy. Me don't want to be that girl, me talk logical life. Me don't want to be that girl a blood clot. Me want to know me in my appearance. So when a boy come in here, I say, lower your tone. And the one girl, me say, spin around to the door there. I got me want to be. I don't want to be that girl. I want him come in here. I'm the pan. Hello? And him vice come. I say, I hear what? General announcements. You since the rent to go do next month, you don't have $1 to put towards it. Here we do. Go back where you come from. And where see the door there? And on the way, please gently close it. You know you slam the people in blood clot. Do I that me want to be? Me don't want to be that girl. I want to have authority, I want to have talk. I don't want to be that girl. Sometimes some of the girls will say them are that girl as scavenger the earth. All type of man fucking on and it's finished. And when all type of man fucking it's finished and rotten. I remember, you know, free doctor stay too long. Free med and every time free medication good. Me never shoot a boy. Me don't want to be that girl, you know. Me's an independent individual, a go-getter. One whole long time fuck out. Whenever shoot a boy, pipe, me now walk with gun in a blood clot baggy. Everywhere blood clot baggy. Never panty listen up. All of my life I easy access me blood clot go. For me go down to one store one time. Remember one time I go buy one G-string in a half price. One half price they are chanceling blood clot corner. But on the one wholesale. I want to buy the G-string and say, I'm going to try a G-string at 8, I must have 16, 17. I want to put on the G-string from on a Wildman Street. And peace take me down a town. I peer about my battle and I depend that. I go in a mother's. I take off the G-string and chuck in the garbage. Probably like me no wear panty. Me no want more than 8 or 2. Sometimes I'll 3. Me no want more than that. When I see me get for relax them and me no wear panty. So when I lift up my boy, I walk with that. So I don't name that girl no more. On the old stink. When I not fuck boy for ask if you no beard. And no come cheesy. Someone on a pretty place on a clot, no blood clot teeth. No pussy big like jump on. You go look on that things. Me run and pay my friend, me keep me the boy class, you know. Someone no can't tell me nothing in the world. When is nobody. Pretty face and BAD character. Cause one man fucking on going to fight, I don't think of the world when they get moved. I come off from a blood clot name. Put respect on my name, so good girl. Me don't want to be that girl. I want blood clot, be a true hustler, go-getter. I fuck up morale. That me want blood clot, I want dirty bitch. One whore, one harlot, that me want blood clot be. Me run on that blood clot girl. Sometimes I pussy tight little squeeze. Me not run on that. Some of my pussy better than enough for you. Cause everybody fucking on one hole. I don't like money on no money. And the boy now fucking on going 100,000. The boy now fucking on going 200,000. Pay $50 and $10 and $3 $1 and $2.
Alright. To all of the ladies them out there. Giving a man giving you money, is that all? Tell me, do you like when a man give you money? If a man give you money or not, is that a deal breaker? Alright, with my experience of people, let me just say this. You see, woman who don't have it, the main concern of it, that is money. You see me I say? a man have it when them a come in. But you have some woman who love money, man, and them not beg the money, man, nothing, cause them now run the money, man. But make one look man from around the way I deal with them. Then name out everything we have. You see me, I say, cause they right through them want. But them don't want from the rich man. Cause them a hope to get a big money. Like Rosalie say, 100, you know what I mean? She a pull down from her man. And the bed set must cost more than that. You see it, but to me, my people, money not really matter when it come to when a man a look at woman, cause it's only man where try to impress woman or get a woman who don't have it and him have it, and him have to spend to try to impress her, to convince her say him have it, so that she can deal with him. Which way, if a broke man approach a woman, him have to either cute or something about him for that woman talk to him. You understand? So when you see the double standard, let me know what you think. Make you watch some more.
When you walk big barra block, when you walk and big and barra and trust. Someone who was saying that girl, in a pattern, a friend clothes, you don't have her, and both from head to toe, weak clothes, every blood clot. Where? When blood clot, you need to a snap. See them here like them a smarty. All ever shockle bus a play one excellent. They will say, cover your friend clothes. Someone had that girl on a blood clot bed full of chink. Pure white worm, black worm and blue worm, chink. No ramp with blood clot, me have some brown maggage. No ramp with me. You no wash pot. You no love beard. You no have pretty face and back character. Fly by day and pitch by night. Face a day and hour hours. No ramp with me. In the streets, me grow. No one can tell me shit. Me no want go like that girl a blood clot. Cause that girl look out all batty. Some things what me not do. Trap me a look at it, cause today a Friday. Me no live in Switzerland. Me have a flush a toilet every day. I pay for the water. Don't make no thinking. How would you say? Don't make no thinking. Chink fuck out mouth, girl. Come go like you want to lower my blood clot standard, bitch. Me a hustle for my blood class there for me at 12. It's a true definition of a real blood clot hustle. I never give up. It's when me fear my brush out my body and go again. Fear that in my thing. And I work for obstacles in our life that we all face because we are human beings. My brush off my back and me go again. After me at 12, me a hustle on a town. And if me at 12, after me a toddler, me not Manhattan. Back some man on the house on a town. Me don't want to be that girl, be that street side vendor. Hustling at the streets. For me I sell peanut. When me not sell peanut, me spell clothespin and garlic and season and all type of something go look hustle and sell. Cause me can't turn one something in a goal. Mine. One something in a gold blood clot mine. One something in a gold mine. When some bitch have a pretty face and a good shape and take 1,000 years to figure out that blood clot, me take 2 seconds and know where they can say what this value. So no matter know about life. And that more I know, but I don't want to be that girl. Someone had vanity jankro. As on a guy boy, you can't sit down, you want to go in a bathroom, you want to go in a room, you want to circle boy house. You don't die for going in a boy house. I like going to people house. The feisty. I'm not going to where I invite him, stay in my lane. I'm going to take out half and craft down at the blood clot mad house. I'm not too right in, I'm going to stay far from people. Tell me that I have blood clot, go get her. Me I come from one piece of broccoli and I sip and sponge on me a little bit. And I eat out a cheese pan on Sunday. Suck on the mother. Anyone in the life, I'm supposed to be there. Because me I come from real bomber blood clot struggles. Me don't want to be that girl. I alter every struggle that has to be a success. Me no walk up and me a time and for me. If a boy want to fuck me and go on. I hope a boy fuck me and don't want me, I say go on. No more the good kitty cat. Cause them not really want, but them want to fuck out the good kitty cat. Them don't want me, yeah. Them don't want me, but they want to fuck out the good kitty cat. Them want to live in a hole like Mal. Me don't want to be that girl a blood clad. Me look like my ugly. But being I put on 2 fang dangles. Any boy no want me with my broad back no want me. Me no walk a search for man. Remember I regular tell me say man no want me to the stain. I'm telling you anything me only fuck the boy them I like. And I see me and a boy a blood clot, rock. I'm see now work out for me know for dodge bullet. Me no mascot no bad game when me play. You can't sell me craft down a market. You can't sell me blood clot can. Tricks and trades and matchboxing business. You can't sell me can. Come invent it. Me know what me on the fall out. Because Goose Killer work with Sweet Mouth. When me I said peanut on a blood clot town. I'm see the play. I say, "I peanut, darling. Come here. Sell something. Me nah buy nothing. I say, come here, man. You can go on the good ass. You fingernail them tall like your housewife. She smile. I say, come here, good pussy. You can't go on it. How me I go? I say, come broke my dogs. From man, me sell $1. Lie me, I tell you. How much of the peanut? I know how much of the peanut. She smile. How much of me have 50, me have 100, 200, 300. 400, $600 a pound. She took up the $50 one and she look on it. She took up the $100 one, she look on it. She walk and she pick me, man, you know, so her purse cock off, you know. Housewife in a town and the boy want pick her purse out her blood clot because them go like them a blood clot things. And the man see the boy a circle her blood clot purse and see me to the teeth. Art and craft. See her, come. See her, the purse cock off, so you know, back cock off, so you know, wide open and the purse shoot up, so. Like when blood clot abscess in a face shoot out for both, so the pinch just put in your face, yeah, peer puffs. See the area, that girl, you know, them name that girl. Fool your fuck. That girl, anybody will call themselves man after them have no sense. Pretty face and bad character. See how you're bad. I say, come where you want. Tell me how you look now. But your man supposed to like you because you just want to tell them 2 good words and them want to hear, you know. I'm getting a brain now, you know, a blood clot brain. Saying, can't be that girl go away and come want give her a big see. I say, what you want? Where you look? Tell me how you look now. She took up the pound of peanut. Here, how much of this? I say $600 babes. I say, me give you brought up and come here good girl, I give you brought up. $600. I say, yeah. Yeah, $550. And then I look pan and pan. I say, look pan blood clot. You know, we spend our $3 million for the hairstyle. One of that $4 million for the blood clot fingernail. And one of that $16,000 million for the out blood clot fit. Not to mention the blood clot bag. But you know, spend $600 buy good food put down the body. Look pan, you know. And the son is that girl. My brain I talk to me, so we are good guys. And my brain I talk to me because sometimes my brain I look on the customer, my brain I run on the and I map up the blood clot customer plus the teeth in about one teeth for purse. And she cock off so like she miss congeniality. Hold on, then I go look my cigarette. So we are looking at nothing. She take about 300 blood clot here when she go into the ear salon and she want her blood clot here for good. For go suck cocky, she know she go pay feet for go suck good. And she want her fingernail for cut when she will cock so go pan. She pay feet. But you can't spend $600 for so go in your body to give your strength for walk and breathe the next day. I tell you about that girl them. I say Miss Congenial time I tell you how them walk, you know. All mascot them in a town, all barrel, no sense. That girl, let me show you them. Let me show you that. Yeah man, you bummer ass come to take by you. Osh! I didn't see you, sure comes. Ash my baby.
Alright, my people. We could just watch a bit more our Rosalie have to say and then we move on to the next car. We have enough more things to share in our people.
See this? See you a long time, girl, wanna chat. Me look for the blood clot. Hold on there. Me not see the purse. Like them down with my purse now, you know. Hold on the chat. I'm the rascal at this chat. Yo, me not find my purse chat. Hold on there. Hold on the team member. Hold on the team. Me nah look out, you know. I'm talking about my woman. I ever say me make my woman block you. Bro, my woman in here from a book and up here. You give her half of the money. And how long know that? How long know you book my woman? My woman I pray from them time there, bro. She also the other day come here, I try run joke a while ago. I say, John no star, you have to go friend them back up because you keep on party, they want Maya host it and re this or that or you know that never ever happen. That never ever happen, Jabass. It never ever happen, bro. It never ever. Remember according to Uno, Maya more militant than me. According to Uno. You see me, Maya no run joke. She never ever come back nowhere for you, bro. For the minute, you see when you can style me 2 times, you only have 1 chance with Maya. So the minute you book her and only get half of money and up to this day still or half of the money and you come with a little story, Maya not like them something there. Maya is a more businesswoman than me when she's about her money. You see me? Where clearly you don't have. Because most of your look money gone in a lawyer fee. And that is why I tell you, say, bro, I don't even need to take it to court, Jabass, because you have, bro, a whole heap you have a deal with, dog. And you're wicked, you know, brother? You're wicked, man, not lie. You're wicked, you're fuck. Which me didn't know. I don't know. Yeah, that's why I say I kind of blame myself. Because you see, for me here, there's something there. I should have really do my local research and investigation. You say I did do my local research for a long time. Me wouldn't play no match. None at all, dog. Because it's not like say I never hear of your situation. It's just that, you know, we think it blow off. Because this is from 2023 now. Chat with it in 2026 now. And this is a man thing where I'm in from 2023. So I say, alright then, maybe I let them detail pan if it's it not come out tight. Yeah, you know. But when I realize that the dog actually in the system, Nasheen Finley, on bail, I say blood clot. That means that the dog, you do it for true, Jabass. And them say innocent until proven guilty. But you're not a 2 case of you know. I don't know. You come me here try I put out about some badness thing, but some I don't know what you say about gun. But some gun thing but you do and you're getting a problem for that. That not the pay file. Whatever badness charge you get yourself involved in that not the pay file. So nobody come try to trick nobody or intimidate nobody about you have the file then. No, bro. Chat, only can Google it. That no form of badness on the panning file. None. I just a grape one and the indecent sitting on it. No form of badness. And you're demonic for true, dog. And then you come, you see, that's why I say this is what you call wolf in a sheep clothes. Chat, only be careful. You hear me I tell you now? The man is a demon for true. And when you can find all like my glad says public knowledge. My glad you and whatever phone call you make and whatever you plan, bro. Jabass, I tell you say you don't know who you deal with in a dog. You can't set me up, you can't pay nobody for doing nothing either. Don't waste your money. As I can make call, I get back the call. You see it today? No, because I have to make you know because I don't want to know. I don't know how trolling stay and you know when people upset people say things. That's why I now come to how I feel right now. I now come and even tell yourself I go suck your mother, bro. Because waste of time that. I just leave you to your time and your demons them when you have to fight. Because you're in some serious trouble, dog. And you try to bite out hard. You try, I don't want them to forgive you, you know.
Worse like how me have daughter, I don't want them to forgive you, to tell you the truth. I don't want them to forgive you. You need to go do your time. Which me know you go do. You go jail. Gaza man. That's why, you see, when me even hear that part, they say I'm own sister, that's why I never want to follow it up. You see me? And then me never hear nothing about it. Because boy, keep it quiet for true, you know. All of the time, them want to see him did missing so in a last year and them think that this are the reason. But you try, me is not a man if you say, alright then, you know, I'm going to struggle looking at man business, rare, this and that. If you go see what a man really are going. And I like say, me and your friend, me ain't even go road like that, bro. I one time me ever go, and the very first time me I go road with Gold God, me figure you out from this, so. Me tell you that already. I don't go talk about your top man on road and boy you buy buckle and all them sitting the dog. I mean, really, I come to them something that Jabass, you notice, if you check the screen record, nobody now believe that. Because everybody know TGST. Remember, man, is a promoter. So nobody now gonna believe that shit, bro. Him salt up there. And a salt across, and as I say, this is a spiritual warfare. Ain't no way somebody can somewhat cool and then una troll each other or quote unquote follow up each other and then out of the fucking blues. Out of the fucking blues.
Well, my people, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. And when it comes to Jabass, still, my people, Jabass is a person where, you know what I mean, me never really have no type of reservation when it comes to him. Me feel like say as a youth where him have a little, you know what I mean, badness thing about him and rare, but he's a jovial youth. You see me, and when him and the Lion Man link up, is a mad combination of me love to see. You see it, so it's like whatever I go on with him, otherwise, you see me, I don't know whether him do it or not. But him have to answer to whatever him have to answer to, you see me. So me know what you think in the comment section, because you see me, them been a say him whatever, him sister rare, but he come like then drop that or something. Because see TJ have him file, I mean I think that he night, you see it. But me know what you think, me go watch some more.
Oh boy, yeah, this, I kill, more bounce out head, more spread you out like shit. Something alright. And then because, remember say all the people over here, like, you see people with dark chat, me tell them say the app spiritual, I mean he's not a Christian, I mean he's not a saint either. You see me, it's just that me have human morals. You see me, so certain things me not go do. You get me? So, him knows some enough of people them don't like me because enough of them demonic like him. So him just come and basically attack me in a way because him knows the demonic crowd are gonna run with him. You see me? He knows the demonic crowd are gonna run with him. And that's why he come with all sort of fuckery talk about this and how he will legally this all them shit there, bro. Where you gonna legal? Me no work with nothing in a Jabass. I'm a police and security, them you gonna legally disarm. You get shot till you're weak. Or you feel, you're not a police officer, or are you going to legally disarm somebody? Cause if you believe some have a license of firearm, how can you come and legally disarm me? Dunce man. I ain't no name Jamal. I ain't so fucking dunce. You think nobody would But anyway, I'm not gonna tell you say I open up my eyes because my eyes don't open already, but I'm glad you do what you do. I'm glad you show up your real ways, dog. You see me? I'm glad the demonic spirit in here come out last night and tell me say, hey boy, because you say go do your research for who me be pussy. My bad. I'm gonna do your research. This is what come up. Nashane Finley on bail. Last seen at court January 7th. Yeah. And you want to come style me and disrespect me, dog. And then, the song, Jabass, again. Come here, me I listen to everything, bro, what you say. You say, me I follow you up, and you say, me gonna make song. Bro, the song was a joke. Pops YG make the same song about you. April 3rd, and next. I know you're a liar, must switch, cause if you have one case, you know, man, from 2023, And such a big case like that, cause I decide that case of your life, you know. You spend money, man, Jabass. Thank God for TikTok. Cause you could scam when you used to scam people, and it really work out. It not really work out. Thank God for TikTok and the people who want to give you. You better save every dime. And all the phone call them where you make. All the phone call them where you make and talk about, yo, the boy did this and that. Jabass, we hear back everything, bro. You can't program nobody. Nobody not going to take on the task there. All if you go to the cokehead, you're not going to take on the task for TJ. Yeah? But anyway, April 30th birthday, cut and clear all crosses. No man, I fax me I tell him, man, like it disturbing, bro. The man make it sound like say me and him did in this great war, dog. Like me and him did have big fallout before for you come and just tell me say you want bounce out my head because my quote unquote I follow you up. Follow you for what? Follow you go away. Eh? Dog, the minute and as I say, even let's say it upset. You know why I really go do my research? It's when I see, when I hear you say, yo, you swear by your daughter life. Say you want to spread me out. At them time I say, no, this serious man, Jabass really want to analyze me. This serious. And that make me go dig up your file and see what it's all about. Cause somebody threatening me, I have to see what it's all about, you know, cause someone who can be bad man for true. And me no bad. You see me? But it just kind of fucked up, dog, that you really chose me. Or I don't know, let me tell you no chat. You see my spirit I have. You see spirit I walk with. You see if you don't have a good heart, we not gonna get along. I can tell you that. Cause remember say I don't do things to cloud pan this, you know. Remember say everything when I do on the app, it me start the app that way, you know, bro. All the goodness we see, all the people who come to for help, all the charity. Remember say we not do this thing for no fame or no name. Me I'm a woman, I do this. We're literally humanitarians. That is what we're called. We I do this, bro. So nobody can come say, and before TikTok we do this. It's so surprising when that's why I'm telling you, say, yo, spirit and energy match. Can you talk about energy and you're right? My energy couldn't match because you're somewhat possessed. You have a dark soul, bro. And that is why your soul jump out last night and say, yeah, man, TJ, yo, TJ, I follow you. Threaten him. And that reach you, bro. Ain't nobody come round me. Never in my life somebody can say, yo, them come round me. And them spirit move Gigi like them just feel like you say, yo, that you tell no good you for stay around, you know. Nobody, none, no soul, nobody. I'm the year only can say me mix up enough. Never in my life somebody ever come round. You see, I'm gonna show you a thing. I can literally, it's not a bragging thing. You see, every single person will come round me, bro, always turn out to be somebody positive in our life in a some fucking way. From a woman, go right up to my bridging them. Every single one of them, dog. Ask anybody who know me for a long time. Ask anybody who know me for a long time. And that is why your spirit, that's why when you see when my sister unna like me on the app, bro, I feel good because I just know say yo here. And I like say me better than only, you know, cause all we are human being. But it's who have a better soul. And I know say my soul better than yours because I'm not dark, bro. It's a reason why the things say I'm weak. It's a reason why I behave the way I behave. It's a reason why even your own people them instead of come to you for help them willing to come to me. It's a reason for all of that, bro. You see me? So when you come up with your badness and toughness and talk about your energy. Yo, my energy just feel like my energy not rate your energy. Dog. You don't even know about how make yourself look. Your birthday on March 24th, mine is March 26th. Yeah, man, I tell you, yo, bad to bad in the chat. When you maybe think I joke me, I tell you, say, to all my believe, say, God have a purpose to me, dog. I don't even know how, because it means not like a Christian, bro. You see me, I know I'm not perfect. So I say, oh, God just love me, so. I don't know, oh, God just love me, so, bro. I know, I think them that love like the little Christian people that will go to church every Sunday and them could think they see me. But the dog just yeah, I call God dog, Jano, sorry, God forgive me. But the man just know say yo me is a youth, and it's like the man just know say I have a clean soul and I have a clean heart. You see me, anything I do in life, I do it genuinely, dog. You see me? And that is why if you don't realize, and you do your research on this, every single somebody will challenge me in a life always put to shame. Every single person with on TikTok with this me certain way, bro, them always put to shame. Literally every single one I wanna, bro. Check the facts. Remember say one thing bad happened to me, you know. And I would the beat up when me get in and the mash up and the broke up with them do me, you know. And you know, sometimes I used to question God, and I say, God, yo, then you go like say me the chosen one, don't it reach so far. And it's like the dog answer me. Yeah, me I call God dog again. It's like God answer me and say, bro, you know what? You have to learn the hard way, man. Cause probably if I give you a little sign, you're not gonna believe it. So you have to say, yo, hear what? Don't matter how much you rate people out there in life, you not have to get the same energy from them. And ratings not come by who have more or who have less. When somebody just rated them, just rated, and bad mind real. And even when people have more than you in life, the same people then can bad mind you. You see me, come use the thing set impossible for somebody will have way more than me. Because what the fuck if me have 2 car or 3 car and you have 10? What the fuck you bad mind me? But the man, God show me say, yo bro, not so bad mind work. You see me? You maybe have 1 car now, 1 car the way have the person feel like say, you know, deserve it. You have your one woman with pretty and thing, everybody say, yo, you know, you know, deserve that girl. You see me? And that alone, no matter how much girl them have. You understand what I say? Yeah, dog. So I'm not going to follow you up. And my last time this me I talk about this. You have a lot to deal with, bro. You have your court case to deal with. A bail the pan. Remember say a bail the pan. You're not supposed to go and threaten nobody at all. And you're done with it, dog. You're done with it, bro, may I tell you. Teach you have a better spirit. No, bro, then the amount of joke we run. That's why I tell you say spiritual warfare where you Kiki at all, but a serious something. Because why literally as me say, bro, you try soul swap. Why you try soul swap Kiki Destiny? And that piss him off, you know. Look how much of that serious joke we run about that. About other things that ain't not going away. But me go say Destiny swap you want bounce out my head. Me look a shine head. What am I gonna rub down when I bounce out my head? You ever think about that? Anyway, so that's all me have to say, chat. We leave him to time. And we leave them to God. And we leave them to the hands of the law. Because you're on the wrong side of the law, Jabass. Nashi and Finley. He must get one gun charge one time for 3, you know. You know, he have illegal, a parade man and have gun and police catch him or whichever way. And that did that short. You see me? Come look for everything. Because I want to know this, if somebody not like me so much and want bounce so made me, I have to know who you be. You see me? And you can't do it. Not a Ross bounce. Unless a Willie bounce. You remember the dance chat? Can't. Oh, let me go back to that part there. Hear this little blood clot grass mic. I have one part. Yeah, some good things I want to cuss about, you know. This blood clot grass mic I don't talk about. Me always got taboo if you got, but I'm sure it's one stripper must depend on the life. No offense to you strippers. You know me, you rather for call me mean. Because I be a kid I walk with. It have to be one serious. I must. The last time I really changed out money, a taboo, I think I must say my birthday, you know. And not even my birthday. Because I know our last year birthday. I want a long time birthday. I not change no money for getting a stripper, bro. If me a par with somebody and them give we cash and say yo fling out that, we fling it out, yeah, but me not. I'm all missy woman and I ask you about woman and me I go look for go wind up dance for a woman. Me? How would the blood clot? Chat to know me can't dance. Who know TJ know me can't fucking dance? Who know me can't? So you can imagine me say me a look woman for go dance with? Me for go look woman for go dance with? I bet you say me there talk about look for a woman. Amaya will know. Me, I'm a woman talk about everything. Cause I see one woman, she will tell me say, yo, that girl is shape good, and me will say, yeah man, she shape good for true. Me Jabass figure say, figure look for woman, figure dance. Me. But man, so bro, that one fucked up lie. I don't like that lie there. You say me allow you have gone in a big dance. I don't like that lie there either. You say you buy a buckle and I come back. Me Jabass, you want to see much back in my carry them? Me figure back go beg man liquor. Me TJ I must bro. But anyways chat, we don't know for that. This is the last thought me I thought. We don't know for that. Make him come back and say go suck your mother all you want and go suck this and go suck. That's all you good for. That's all you, cause if you would suck your mother, you would rape your sister. Actually, you never suck your mother, you never get enough breast milk. Cause me love breasts. Ask Maria. Sometimes I wish milk in there. Me love breasts. Yes, that's true. So them things no face me guys. Me leave it to time. You're there on bail, you have a whole heap of deal with. I don't have time to pay no mind. You see me? But if you continue to trick me, I have to do what I have to do. I'm not take you lightly. Yeah, man, where you take pill. Anybody who take pill and drink so hard and lose character, they will do things. So I'm not take you lightly. You see me? You're a dangerous man. Very dangerous. Yeah? But I'm watch your energy. But I'm energy. Jabass can't look at me and feel like some ever fuck up energy, bro. I bet you say me too enough. Stick to some look regular things with the people in my always I say. Every single body will come around TJ, bro. I feel like if you're not, I'm not saying I'm perfect, but if you're not like my energy, something wrong with you. If you're not like my energy, something wrong with you, dog. May I tell you that. Cause I be a positive energy I bring off, bro. Be a positive. I mean, no need for brag and boast about nothing. That actually me can't even remember certain things. I'll be a positive energy I bring off, bro. Ask anybody that. Remember, say Jayden is a man with paranoid. Jayden paranoid the fuck. And if Jayden can wake up with a fee in bed and say more, and tell you that somebody on the road and the man found by himself. Remember, say Jayden paranoid 150 man, you know. Jayden no go road without him squad, you know. Ask him. And if them man they can say you alright, then they might come around TJ by himself. With the little girlfriend where them look new chat, me say oh, them are going good still and look good together, me not lie. They look good together. So you fucked up energy where you say you get from a Jabass or the dark spirit we have inside of you. And your soul that a clash with my soul. You see me? And your soul is like a battle of the souls. And your soul is intimidated by mine. And that is why you just get irritated when you see me come. Anybody, bro, may I tell you now. Anybody, chat. It's like how you have the spirit of discernment. Yes, when you know, say, you know when you're not good somebody. If you know dark and fuck up, when you know so you dark and fuck up. But you know when you're not good somebody. You say if you go around people as a good human being, bro, and you see them just, oh, man, I like that. I can't stand him. Oh, I just something about TJ. I just can't stand him. Check on yourself and say if you're life no miserable. Me never yet see somebody with alright and comfortable in life yet come around me or me never seen none of us. Now, can I tell you, everybody will say, comment and say, yo, me just something about TJ, me just can't stand the little black shiny boy. When you click on them and page and you see them, if them profile open, look how them look. Just look how they look. Because we soul not go much because someone are demonic and then me know me have a good fighting soul where God give me, bro. So as when you come in on my space, and me coming off on the space, on the soul jump out and say, yo, the black boy, and I just that. You see me? And that is why majority of you over here don't like me, because we don't have the seat. We have.
Alright, my people, we're gonna watch a bit more and then we're gonna move on to the next.
We not have this, because some people have the same soul, you know, in terms of like genuine good people, you know, bro. You see me? And that is why I no found no like me. And that is okay, I'm good with that. We're good with that. And everybody make good. You see it? Yeah. Alright, I'm done here now. Oh. Talking about souls. This is why me admire this so long. I will come in a chat. Sometimes I don't make it. When I sit down and believe, say, me and my we don't cuss and vex and all. And she tell you, she tell you, say, how comes men I will vex, and within 10 minutes it come like say nothing happen, bro. And she have to just work with that, because then it's like she say, it don't really make no sense we argue, because we are one. Because it's a kind girl, you know. It's just that Maya not like people, because, and it's not that she not like people, it's just that she just not trust nobody because of what people do her. You see it? So she more defensive. So fear of discernment kick up quicker than mine. Because me the man who will just say, alright then here, we need to do this, we need to socialize, you see, my mind depend on that. You see it? Yeah, bro, Maya is a good girl, like, as I say, when it come on to certain things, just like, I tell you, say, we are like literally humanitarians, it's just that we cannot help everybody. When me find out, say, yo, she's a person who give back and them because something there, and them things that we made to for a long time, people don't even know say me do it. You see me? So we just align together, we say, yo, Bomba, you do them something here? And she say, yo, yeah, from school days. I say, eh. So them look at something they just, I that keep it going. So it's not really my handsomeness or I'm a big good at them something them I like. Them think they're just the bonus. And it's not fair pretty face I'm like her either. Come on, I get pretty girl, dog. You feel me? You see me? Yeah, me have to just make you know. I just chat, I just make energy. Bro. I just make energy make the girl really. I can't remember I know me alone have big good, I know me alone have shiny. I will leave a Jamaica this, you know. A Jamaica this. You know, I'm a sexy thing, I'm a sexy that chocolate skin man, you know. A girl and love me. I remember I smell good, you know, so, you know, but it's just a bonus, and nothing really special. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean there? Yeah. You know. But really, I just my soul, bro. And you see from God put two souls together, bro. All when we're not perfect. All we cuss and fight and vex. You see me, we still stick it out, bro. Because of God put it together that way, the dog. I remember so we are not perfect human beings. So relationship I got have it ups and downs just like every other relationship. If a relationship now no ups and downs tonight, and I read a relationship that propose. I'm gonna tell you something I say if you buy the ring. The ring is expensive. Very expensive ring. Not your soul, but your aura. A soul and aura in a one. Soul and aura in a one. Yeah. Anyway, I'm done now. So I'm come back. This is the regular me now. I'm going back in the computer and my face. I'm going back in the character now. I come to beg.
Look here, this little girl have paper up here. They sign up for a man pitney pan passport. You have me to look about dog passport. Dog. Me do everything for you. You left 21 drawers in a washing machine and me make sure me deal with them for you. And me call you and tell you, say, Lily girl, when you left, you not left so much drawers in a machine. Yeah. She throw me out there. She throw me out there. But this is why I have to say these things, because oh no, now believe the things them what me I go through if me no say it, and wonder why the reason you put me out there when your mother have been doing these things, good things for you. And that's why me they say what me they say. That's why me I say what me they say. Instead of you encourage me pitney them to pray that's me can get through to help them. To go over there go tell them foolishness. And make them turn against me till all the big ones say me fin yam out in batty. My biggest daughter will make me turn mother. Tell me fin yam out in batty. And he have 3 pitney. May God go with you know. May God go with you know. And they can style me up, girl. Eh? And they can style me up as girl. You style me big time, me a girl. Yeah. If me ain't girl enough, me name no. I'm Belch. I should have girl enough for Nyamuno. Passionate father. About the belly. Girl, I would think you. I will make you come here. See? Man, if you don't like me, man, me deserve a little bit of respect what you should have given me. Little bit. By not putting me in no media. Because teeth and tongue must meet. And for me, you meet when you're 20 at the year old. Me and you never cuss yet 20 at the year old. And the little girl can't take word for the give word.
My people, tell me what you think in the community. In the comment section, that's a community. Yeah, tell me what you think in the comment section. So this is Chanel, me her mother. You saw me I say and she yet again I go bring down her daughter. As an international artist, me not feel like say them thing are right. You see it, you're supposed to know that as a mother, whatever differences you have, you keep that between owner. If you can't keep it between owner, find somebody go talk to. You know what I mean? Don't bring it on social media and try bring down the girl for try blighted her musical career or something. Come on, Geno Star people, make me know what to think. Make me watch a bit more and then me go move on to the next and then end it.
Open my mouth. All Richie feelings come in, Panny. Oh no. To me, yeah, I want to come me here because I am not in Jamaica where me can push my fist in your stinking mouth. So every time I have to just hold and keep my breath and my ball tears because me not like how you angle me like I'm your son Pitney. Yeah. And you're gone, Pandy. Hey, you break me. You can't break it. You can't break it. Yes. Me like how you killed me. So now when me come pan you, they chat no backside bad enough to come accountable. Oh, stop disgrace. Me not disgrace no data. And whatever I put out was already out there. By and by, you cost about one bed. What me? You left your 6 months, come out of my house. Me can rent the place because your things them in there. Me say, alright, me not rent the room because when you come about, mother like say, you still have your room. So even though me not got through nothing here, me still a save room for one straight and me lean. Eh? So, you start the argument in April. We have one argument in April. Me just start do me chemo. Me come home with one cut from way up over me neighbor. So that is the second one what me do. Go down. Me tell you the date. Mr. Chanel, me have to go do one next surgery. When me tell you say we are going to do one next surgery, you know what you do? You pack up yourself and you go to Jamaica, so you're gonna look about your hair shop that I may up you in a pain. And still I look about your dog. Yeah. You're down there and me see coffee, nice shop and I work and you call me more while mommy want go on, but the only reason why you call me more mommy want go on is because of your benefit for why you're down there the pint up about me. Yeah. Yeah, when you're down there, they look about your shop. All of your things them will come for go in a shop in a for me address you use and a for me yard day. How much $1,000 me can walk in my house in please because all our come for the shop are in a for me house there. You tell make people feel say me this and me that. Come on, you should have tell the truth about me if I know me I feel a spill and they tell what happened. And you go down there and when you go down, maybe in a crochet one red dress and me say to you say you can't carry down this and put in your shop. You know what you turn to me and say? You remember? I hear me they sell. You not sell no frock. Say alright. At the time when me give the dress, it's because I know I'm not working because me have to go through doctor this and doctor that and doctor tira and doctor that and me have cancer now so me can't go can do certain things. So me want you sell carry the frock and see if you sell I would have make more and that would have been my contribution to my pitney them for me now work. You know get me? If me no, remember you know I've been giving. So if me work down now, me can't work no more. Me go try find a way to make sure say ends meet, and that's what I did. Me try to make ends meet by send me a crochet and give her. Whether one dress, me send other things down there. Whether one dress or two dress or one dress, me not give her if it try though. See if she could have put in her shop for me. And she said no. It could have deal with privately, but she choose not to. And she no reach out to me, and me can't get her because she block me. But she make the world know say I me block her. Because in no way, me go ever deal with her now. True, me can't talk to her on phone. If you see me block her, you have to come with me there. Anyway, back to my story. This is private enough. Other day when time me two people in them company, me tell them say you want to do it on the live or you want to do it private. They say they want it on ya. So when they talk about private, me pitney them no want private, they want it on ya. Oh no, for they want disgrace me. So let's go. You go to Jamaica, you sit down on your car, you talk down round table, talk, mommy this, mommy that, mommy have one man wanna help him, mommy this. You know what man help mean? You think man help mean if you have money and just give so I no care? That is not my help. At the time when me have cancer, any man when come in and so just give me money and come out, mother still dead. Me need somebody to bathe me when me can't move. Lift up my foot and wash my pork. And me can't walk. And me have breakfast. I them the type of somebody. I them the type of something they may want. Me don't want nobody with no money. If you say, alright, see money, you go buy what you want. I know that me want. But if I suffer your man them treat you, you haven't learned anything from me. Or you choose a different road. Anyway, you don't at Jamaica. You call me 11 o'clock one night. Daniel, they come. And you start quarrel with me before me even answer. Daniel, they come, me fi put him up. So, before me answer nothing, you start quarrel and me text you back and me say, why you behave like me a monster? Why me can't behave so? So you they use reverse psychology for me now. You understand? You they use it fi me accept you with you start cuss me fi me accept you. That you do. And yes, me say, alright, make she come back. When she hear you know, when time she comes, me fi put her in a fear room. He say, girl, you don't have no more room here. You move out long time. And I'm me in the room now. And she cannot use the room because once I'm taking the chemo, she cannot use the toilet. She can't use nothing there until me have to scour down the whole room. She come the night and the same piece of man where they cuss, take her things, them what's they spoil, put them in a fridge for her. And you call with on the phone. So you call him on the phone, see him, you call on Daniel's phone and you talk to him. So nobody never do you nothing. Because maybe when you call him, I have to show people who in your background who him be. Because so you stay, that me find out so you stay. And then when time you call him now and talk to him, Daniel, me give her 190 and say, make yourself comfortable, mama. You understand? And me tell her to make herself comfortable. And me go on my bed. Because I went late. And the next morning, me hear somebody say, Queenie. You must know if me never take care of them. You, whatever your name, you must know if me never take care of them. And Daniel called me the morning, Queenie, and me wake up and she say, may I go now, early, you know. And me say, alright, mama, take care. And we pack up our things and give her back on. Because it was she went just to spend like 5 hours, 6 or 5 hours the most. Because she come in late, she go left early. The same man when I say thief dog, that the man they do everything for him, go up airport, come back, go this, so come back, go this, so come back. And so we are run around fear. Anyway, when time the girl gone now, in at 11, 12 o'clock, she called me. Mommy, me say, oh, where you going? You good? Me say, oh, where you going? You good? She said to me, say, yeah, man, me good. Me sell the furniture them, you know. Because when me come from out of the hospital, she asked me if I get up off her bed and take a picture so she can sell it. And I did. Because I want her to sell it to get back some more money or whatever she want to do. I am not going to stand in her way. You understand? Fair things are fair things, and fimi things are fimi things, and fimi things are fimi and her. Let's say that. So me get up off of the bed and me take a picture with the wall I cut. Me I walk with stick, you know. Me I walk with one walker. So me have to get up off my bed, take a picture. She never asked me how me cut look. She not ask me how you feel. She not ask me nothing. She just a program for her things them. That is it. But me always make excuse in my head, say, maybe she don't want to see me when me sick, for make she feel bad. So me always make excuse for deal with her without judging her. You understand? And that me do. As a mother, if she do something, me find one excuse for say, I true she feel that way, the man. I true she don't want to look at me like that. So me find excuses why she wanna deal with me. Because when me come from the hospital, the first time, she not come in my room. None at all. Me have 25 stick, what fi stick my belly for me not have blood clot, and she never once come in there, not to give me a cup of tea. So in the morning, my boyfriend left, he look about some porridge and he put it at my bedside. Cause me still can't walk. And me have to wait till he come after I work to come bathe me or tidy me or anything. And she is there. That's what I'm saying. Remember, you know, as somebody want me cook for, even in boyfriend them come, me cook for me give him breakfast in a bed and something. That is why it's not like say me I exchange things, but I was sick, me need you now more than ever. Me don't know who would I see that as wrong, but that's the way me see it. And me still I make excuse. Maybe she don't want to see me that way this so. And by the time me come out, me not even heal up. The woman said to me, say, Mommy, I want some cornmeal porridge. And me say to her, say, me no say, you know me no say nothing to her. Francie tell me say she want to call me porridge, me want to go look about it. Cause me they look about her food, so me want to go look about. You know what me do when me go in her store, me say heat don't touch my belly. You know me go in my room and me take out one sheet and me wrap it around my belly how much time. And me turn up over her stove and make it cornmeal porridge and give it to her. And them the kind of life they. Me not even tell him to go do it himself or make me show him to do it. Me get up go do it myself. With one cut around my belly for surgery. He bring his friend in the house with him. They in the whole day. Mommy, my friend go want porridge to me look bout you and me give them. Me never said no to this little pitney. Never. That is why everything what she do, me they look back pan and me say, why she do it? Why she do me that? Me no think me falter. But if me falter, me no perfect. You coulda tell me when me falter. Hey, if porridge never sweet, when you expect if it's sweet, you shoulda tell me. And that's why you do me not true. Maybe the porridge never sweet. Cause me don't know what else to think about it. And she keep doing this. She keep doing one thing what me not like. Where if me telling her what my mother do all me shame. Me want you talk what me do me shame with you. Me want you talk because you have the people them a pull. Like there's some continuation to this. And me don't know what because me there they search me head something me head at me. Yeah. Me try not to cry, but anytime you hear me talk about them things here, it upset me real bad because me still don't understand why she do this to me and make me look like me a wickedest woman in the world and she get the wickedest mother. Yeah. You see if me do things to her when me know say I true and me deserve it. To hell. You think me have time for this? Go sit on one side. You understand? Let me tell you something, man. Me I carry this right with me for a long time. Right with me. And I couldn't talk to her. Anyway, back to the story. She called me on the phone. April 20. In the evening. She said, Mommy, you alright? Me say, yeah. She say, Daniel gone? Me say, yes. She gone this morning early. In the same breath, hear her. And that she called me if you ask me no. Hear what she really called me if you ask me no. Hear the argument now what put me in the public. So I put Daniel to sleep. Me said, Daniel, me put her in the front room. So I put her boyfriend to sleep. So me saying cat side pan the bed. Me must say one king side bed, he not have to touch me because my blood toxic. He don't come close to me. If he look about me, I have to use gloves. So apparently, him in the house, that means if him smell alone, me can deal with. Me can't deal because of him look about me. You understand? But somebody that is coming from Jamaica, from a funeral, shouldn't even come in my house. Because of my immune system. Because me they take chemo. When me hear the girl say, so wait, me put my boyfriend to sleep. Obviously, the boyfriend, when they sleep in the room when cousin in her, so the boyfriend can't stay there the night because the boyfriend don't know the cousin him now go sleep with her in her room. So what am I if do? Put him on ground? No, that is the argument that little girl they take now and put me in the media. Because when she start asking me about it and I be a certain way, me get crazy. My blood pressure start go up and me and say, what kind of question then do you ask me? I think you sex me have in your bed, girl. Me just come from, me just don't want surgery. Why you think they weird about me? That's what I said to her. Because she tell me, say she sell the furniture them. So me say, good, when did they come for? She said, Friday. And then this is what she started with. In the same breath. When me put Daniel, when me put my man. Me mind me just do, me must say, April. At January. 3 months ago, so till me start do the chemo. Yeah. So you know, say for me head all over the place, me emotional, everything wrong with me because me just do chemo or something what me not ever used to. And I tell her say, the girl start by me on the phone. And start galang. I mean, I said, what kind of question they may ask me? And she said to me, me have man asleep in her bed. And me say, how you feel? What is wrong with you? And she did it with her, everybody in the background, cause Jamaica she there. Everybody in the background. Whosoever she want there, her sister, whosoever. And she they ask me a question, and they show me up to them what in the background over there. And that she do me. So the voice note, she hang up her phone. So me call her back. And when me call her back, me say to her, I say, Chanel, I am not your friend, and I'm not one of your fan. First, I am your mother.
See it and I do deal with them. I'm a rate him for that. Me not lie to you. I rate him for that. But you see, for one of the thing, me not run down no series, honestly. And if me not think, cause him not move like him a run down series. But me not run down no series because I feel like doing series at that mash up relationship. I feel like series is not real. Everything in it fake. You understand me? So you say if you really have a relationship and something real you want to grow, I feel like say it's not for the internet. Most likely that's the reason why I said I better post my video them on YouTube. Me not pose up over here so I try to show people a bag of ray and a bag of tea because enough of the things where the people them showing no real. Enough of the things them not real. It's just the hype. You understand me? Been there, done that. With relationship I want is something real. You understand me? So I read on my journey upon YouTube more than TikTok. Because I have that the experience upon TikTok and I see how it going and it don't work. Yeah, but me still go come on TikTok, of course. After me can't live out my people them. Me can't live out no. Me still go come on, me still go but as what me say, me not still over here and watch nobody tear me down, drag me down, bring all different type of dirty news or drag me in a mix up. Me not go in it. Me not go in it. Make God go with you, cause me not coming up. Oh, make God go with you. That me I tell you. Right? And since me and him start talk, let me tell you, I couldn't understand this. You see, since me and him start talk, a whole heap of women start cuss me off. I don't know how women stays up on TikTok. I don't know how woman. Yeah, me don't know how woman stays up on TikTok. You want I go screenshot me inbox show no. I don't want your girl them a tear me up and cuss me like a dog over Yankee. You know, I realize with them girl on TikTok. Them see you with a man, you know. But them never did want the man, you know. All along the man did out there, you know. Them never want the man, you know, good girl. You see the moment them go see you take up the man and sister something good about the man, the whole of them want to run him down. The whole of them want to know him. The whole of them are go to the man and tell the man, say, oh, me is the one girl, and me and this girl a friend on TikTok, you know. She shoot for me, you know. And the same girl gone in at the man inbox and I tell the man, say, me a crosses. The girl go in him inbox and bitch on a bed.
Well, people, that's why I'm telling you, say, it's when they come to woman are one of the most bad mind thing. Yeah, me telling you already, you know, if you believe me. Because enough woman, them no want a man until them see a next woman with the man. Remember me they tell you now. Yes, me I said I prove that over and over again. Both personally and you know what I mean things when me see you see it. So make me know what I think with people. Yeah.
I know say me have him password. Wanna try know that you know. Say me have him password. And the girl go in her inbox and I tell him say me a crosses. Anybody will come round me. The girl said to him say, me no know where you gonna mix up yourself with Anify, you know. A dirty people them there. Is a set of crosses. And that the girl I text him I tell him, you know. And after me look and me see it, me just smile and bitch me block you.
You go through it, man. And regardless, if you world against it, at least I know I'm with you. You see me? Fuck them. Fuck all of them. When you have me, I have your back.
Ah, that's cutie. You cry. I'm gonna cry, Johnny. I'm even crying now.
I mean it.
No.
I have your back. See this? You watch my back, watch yours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something like that.
Wow. Catching on this one though. Speechless.
Storm, we said that our aim was 5,000, but we end up got 10,000.
That's a great job.
It's fucking amazing, bro.
Clap yourself, guys.
Here
I put them here in the water and them cute. You know what I'm gonna get no roses? You know what I'm gonna get my roses? Shut up. Yeah, I like this. I was due for some roses, yeah.
Chad, follow the page and power tap the screen for me there, please.
Why I wanna go on with those selves to know? Sing now, you know, sing now.
Okay. I would never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. And I will never find another lover more precious than you.
Boys to man, you just stop the man.
Girl, you are supposed to be like my mother, supposed to be like my father,
You just
supposed to be
stop.
like my brother, supposed to be like my sister. And you are the only one, my everything. And for you, it's all I see all my life. I pray for someone like you. And I thank God
Just stop singing on. Boys to man.
that I finally found you.
Just start your singing up. A boys to man.
We belong together, and you know that I'm right. Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play with my mind?
You sing it.
Said we'd be forever. Said he never died. How could you love me and leave me and never say goodbye?
I want to piss I love boys.
No chat, we're not sub the live. It's not a long live, it's just a sunset we are catch. So there's no need to sub it, alright? We're not gonna be here for long chat. As soon as the sun goes down, that's it for the first day.
Okay, must be the Insta, you know? Where long
You want the next candy?
Can get some pimples.
What you want?
Great, remember. I'm going to come in and like, go on a side.
Today is your lucky
You know,
day.
make your life catch.
Here you go.
I don't want all of it.
You want just some? Take off what you want.
I'm going to share with them. Just bring it and share with them.
Just bring it and share.
Wash it off and share with them, okay?
Wash it off. Come on. Wash it off.
We are going to pick this evening.
Are these another date?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're getting married.
like today?
Yes, it's official.
Oh.
They pick that easy. They pick that easy.
If you want it.
Getting married.
Remember say you just coming up. Yeah.
That's something for another day. I
Yeah.
got you, love.
No.
I got you, love.